third isolation, I'm going to put the bottom of the wand at the top. I'm going to hold on to it slightly with my thumb and my middle finger. I'm going to keep the top of the wand right here above my hip. Keep the bottom of the wand above my head. Now holding onto the wand, I'm going to push it over to the left side. I'm going to try to keep this point of the wand fixed in space as I push against the wand and raise it back up. In order to make sure that the wand is getting around in a full circle and right back up to your hand, it's good to start out by giving it a big, strong push to make sure that it comes all the way back to your hand. So if you're having a problem with pushing the wand and just not getting it to come up into your hand, try to give it a little bit more power on that initial release.